Payhip has a new marketplace that has launched here in 2024, and it's going to give you the opportunity to sell more digital products and bring more traffic in your business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and on this channel, I talk about how to create multiple streams of income in digital publishing. So if you love that type of content, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, let's get into it. Now, if you are a Payhip customer or have a Payhip store, you probably got this email. So I got this email on July the 24th. Let me know that Payhip's marketplace has launched. So in the message, they said, we're excited to announce the launch of the Payhip marketplace. Explore the marketplace. Our main goal is to help you increase sales, and the Payhip marketplace is designed for you to do just that. So I can click this link right here and browse the marketplace, and I'm going to do that. You can, as a Payhip user, add your products. So if you want to add your products, you can include that in the marketplace, and then you can learn how here, and then your feedback is invaluable to us. So please don't hesitate to reach out. Many thanks, Payhip team. So I was like, okay, this is very exciting. I do have a Payhip store. I create journals and planners over here at She Writes Digital Hub. So if you've ever been on my website, She Writes Digital Hub it has been created through the platform called Payhip, where we create one buyer only journals and planners for women entrepreneurs that want to sell low content books on Amazon KDP. So when I got that email, I was like, okay, pretty exciting. So I logged into my Payhip account, and when I logged in the back office, it gave me a big old message saying, marketplace has been open. Go ahead to view the marketplace. So right here, when I clicked on the email where it says browse the marketplace, I got here. Okay, so this is what the marketplace looks like. And I'm thinking, is given a little bit of like Gumroad. If you are familiar with or use Gumroad for your digital products, they also have a marketplace as well, where you can browse the different um, products that are in here and you can purchase. Okay, and even as a user of Payhip, you can list your products here, and it does go through a approval process, which I'm gonna go over in just a moment. So let's go through here the different categories. So you have 3D, you have Robux, you have craft design, drawing and painting, music and sounds, you have film, you have more. So if you go to the more, it gives you all the different type of products that are in here. Now, from what I understand, this is for digital products only. So you know that Payhip gives you that opportunity where you can sell physical products. So you have shirts, you have books, and you ship them out. There is a way for you to operate that part of your business using Payhip, but right now it's just for digital. Okay, so as I was browsing through, I was like, okay, this is great. You have the opportunity to list your products, and you can come in here and buy products too. So I like the business and money. So I'm just going to click right on there and see what's available. And it gives you the featured products. Okay, so these are the featured products. And let's see, you got Vision Board, you got a YouTube creator masterclass that's in there. And then you have the opportunity too, where you can just click right on here, like you can click on the person shop, and it will take you all the way to their shop. So like this is Shantae Rhodey. So she's a master business and marketing specialist. So it takes you right to her shop that she has available right here, and all the things that she has available. So I think I'm familiar with her. I think we follow each other on Facebook. Her name looks very familiar. So you got your highest rated products. These are the products that have the highest rating. So this is here. You got a pricing calculator, six-figure clothing brand ebook, a project and task manager. Then you got Cash App guide. Okay. So those are the things there. So you can really click on like popular tags, and this is why tags are important. I'm going to explain in a minute when you are want to list your products here in Payhip. Okay, so you got Canva templates, which I love Canva templates. So this person right here is really dominating with the Canva templates. And this is templates for you. I'm going to click on them. I'm very familiar with this brand too, because I think I got a template from them on Etsy. Okay, so this person right here is on Etsy, and I love how they have their Payhip store set up. This is definitely amazing. This is beautiful. Okay, they have a lot of products for businesses. Okay, so you can get different type of templates in there. All right, so they're really dominated in that tag. So it looks like they use that tag in most of all of their products, Canva templates. So that's why you got to make sure um, that your tags are good with your products, which I'll go over that in just a minute. So as you can see, they're dominating there. Okay, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna take off Canva template. So this is giving a little bit of Etsy. So it's giving Etsy. So you can, look at some stuff here like you can on Etsy. So let's go to entrepreneurship. Okay, so here's awesome entrepreneurship things here. And I'm interested to know, how Payhip is driving traffic to this store, because this can be another way. You have a Payhip store, basically like a free way for you to get customers, because you can list it in this store. And that's a great thing about having your products on Payhip, Gumroad, and even on Etsy, having your products on Etsy, because it's already a built-in audience. So when you have those platforms that have a built-in audience, that's a pro. But the con is that, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of competition. All right, so there's going to be a lot of competition. And this doesn't negate you as the creator to not drive your own traffic to your digital products or services, but having it in a platform like Payhip, Gumroad, or even Etsy can help you to increase sales, where people that don't know you have that opportunity where they can, purchase from you. Okay, so I can see a lot here. This store right here keeps coming up. This Start Title 501c3. This is a nonprofit and grant writing academy. So that's something that you're interested in. Here's a store here. I would definitely advise her to change her covers, but most of all her covers is her face. But I would definitely change that up. But it looks like she has a lot of products in here in her store. Okay. So what I did was I said, okay, let's look. This is the back end of my store. So this is what the back end of my store looks like. And as a creator, you will go to Marketplace right here. And in the Marketplace is where you can find where all of your products that you wanted to put in the Marketplace. So I said, well, let me try out to kind of see what this will be like and how I would do this. So I'm going to tell you really quick how you would do this. So just like when you're uploading your digital product inside of Payhip and you're doing all those things, you would go right over here where it says category and tags. This is how you can get it in the Marketplace. Now, it's not guaranteed because it has to go through an approval process. So it's not something you could just add some tags and then it's good to go. That's not how it works. So you got here Payhip Marketplace. The Payhip Marketplace is a perfect place for you to share your work with the world. It recommends your products to prospective customers outside of your existing following, helping more people to discover your work. The bulk editor is the easiest way to apply categories and tags to multiple products in one go. Now I have multiple products, but I wanted to only do one to kind of see what the process is. I think I did this maybe a couple of days ago. I know it's been about 3 days since I put this on the marketplace. So I put mine under the category of design and pre-made book cover, because that's essentially what I'm selling. I'm selling a pre-made book cover, but I'm also selling the inside too to create, a book, a journal, or a planner. That's what I put mine under. So you can only put it under that one category. I didn't see an opportunity to put it under multiple categories. So let me see if it will. No, I can only put it under that one category. Now you can't add tags. What I was saying about tags earlier, you can add some tags to it. So you can, use tags that will definitely get people that want to search according to the tags. So I put pre-made, done for you planner, pre-made book cover, pre-made cover, done for you digital. I probably would add some more, but you can't add up to 10. But I'm just testing at this very moment. I would definitely leverage tools such as ChatGPT to help you out when it comes to these tags if you can't think of stuff. Because I'm like that sometimes where I'm like, I can't think of what tags, to put in this. Okay, so you can do that as well. Product has content or cover images made for only adults. You'll put that there if that applies to your product. I didn't put that there because it doesn't necessarily apply to my product. And then you would hit save changes. Now, like I said before, it goes through an approval process. So at this very moment, mine is in review. Okay, so this book, I didn't want to do all of them. I just did one, and it says right now it's in review. Okay, so that's it. Now, how would I know that is not, that is in the marketplace? I will go here to go to your dashboard, you go to your products, and you go right here where it says marketplace. Once you click on marketplace, then right down here it will tell you which ones you have in the marketplace, if they're approved, if they're in review, or if they're denied. Okay, so right now mine has been in review for a couple of days, so I'm not sure. I haven't seen anywhere listed. Let me go to that email about the learn more. Okay, so let's learn more here. So right here for the marketplace, now this comes from Payhip. It gives you the introduction. It tells you how to submit. There are no additional fees for sales for the marketplace. You'll continue to be charged the usual Payhip fee for transaction. As you know, Payhip has a transaction fee, right? So I'm gonna go over here and I'll go over that. So right here, when you set up a Payhip store and you go to the pricing, if you choose to use the platform for free, you not charge anything. You can use all the features. You can do unlimited products, unlimited revenue. It's a 5% transaction fee. Okay. If you want to go up to the plus where you pay $29 a month, you pay $29 a month plus a 2% transaction fee. If you are the type that's selling a lot of products, you want no transaction fee, you pay the $99 a month. Okay, so that's how that works. I'm doing the free right now. It totally works for me. I haven't, seen the 5% is fine with me because I price my products in a way anyway that will make sure that I gain profit. So that, as long as you have your own pricing strategy for your digital products anyway, you'll be fine. um your store to be eligible, so your store has to be eligible in order to list products. You should have made at least $10 in total sales. Your account team has reviewed your store, so it has to go into review. Like mine is still review. Of course, I've made more than $10 in my store, so I don't see how it wouldn't, but this is how it will look right here. So if you list your product, it will say the status is listed. If it hasn't been listed, it will say unable to list. And as you see, mine is, it's still in review. So this will answer my question right here. You will see if we listed your product on the marketplace, if it's and if not, the reason your product was not approved. We aim to complete the approval process within 10 days of submission. So I have not reached that 10 days. Okay. So, but it may take longer in some cases. At the moment, we only support digital products on the marketplace. We plan to work on support for other product types in the future, but that would take some time. So give it up to 10 days. Okay. Now, because of my store, as you can see, it's one buyer only. So that book that I had listed could be gone tomorrow, and then I would need to just take it off of the marketplace anyway, because all of my products are one buyer only. Once someone buys it, it's already gone. So for me, I could probably benefit from, using this, but at the same time, it still would be a little bit more work for me because all of my products are not where multiple people can buy the same products like on some, instant, but it's still categorized as a digital product. It's not a physical product, which we list that in the description. So tagging helps. They say tagging helps customers easily find your products through search and other discoverable areas. So it's a good idea to include tags along with your products. Please visit your edit product page and then click on the category and tags tab to get started, which that's what I showed you guys. So that answered my question to how long it will take. It's up to 10 days to get approved. Okay. So I guess that once it goes through the approval product process, if it gets approved, I will let you guys know. Probably put a comment below in the video if it's been approved. If it's been denied, I'll do a video. I would definitely do a video either way around or make a comment to let you guys know how it works. But I wish I would have kept up when I put it in there. But I know it's been about 3 days since I put it in there because I just made that book personally, yeah, about 3 days ago. So we'll see. We'll see how this happens. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Are you a Payhip? Do you use Payhip for your digital products, for your store? If so, are you going to list your products inside of the store too? Let me know in the comments. And again, if you want to get started with Payhip, very easy. It's free to use. You get access to everything. You just know that you are going to pay a 5% fee every time someone buys your stuff. Okay. So that's a big difference from Gumroad, which Gumroad has, the shop as well, but you have to pay 10%, so, and that's for everybody. I don't think Gumroad, they don't have a monthly where you can pay monthly like Payhip. Gumroad is just 10% for everybody across the board. Okay. So yeah, so maybe I'll do another video giving you guys like the comparison of the two when it comes to the marketplace, and we shall see. All right. So again, like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer. All right. Until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.